Welcome to Health and Technology TV, your trusted channel for fitness, health, and science-backed solutions. Today, we're focusing on effective at-home workouts to help reduce breast size naturally through targeted exercises and overall body fat reduction. Large breasts can sometimes cause discomfort or back pain, and while size is often determined by genetics, regular exercise can help tone the chest area and support a healthier, more comfortable body. Stick around as we share the best workouts and tips to achieve your goals safely. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more fitness and health content. Let's get started. Before we dive into workouts, let's talk about the science behind breast size. Breasts are made up of glandular tissue and fat, meaning fat loss can impact size. Cardio and strength training reduce overall body fat, which may lead to a decrease in breast size. Strengthening the chest muscles, pectorals, can improve the appearance of the chest and provide better support. Are you interested in learning more about fitness science? Let us know in the comments. Cardio is key for burning calories and reducing body fat. Here are some simple, effective options you can try at home. Jump rope for 5 to 10 minutes to get a full body workout that burns calories quickly. High knees, 3 sets of 1 minute, can engage your core and increase your heart rate. Mountain climbers, 3 sets of 30 seconds, combine cardio and core work, making them a great fat-burning option. Which cardio workout is your favorite? Share your go-to exercise in the comments below. These exercises target the chest and upper body to improve tone and support fat loss. Push-ups, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, strengthen your chest, shoulders, and arms. Chest presses, 3 sets of 12 reps, with dumbbells or water bottles tone the chest muscles effectively. Wall presses, 3 sets of 15 reps, are a beginner-friendly alternative to push-ups that still build strength in the chest and arms. Have you tried any of these chest-focused workouts? Let us know how they work for you in the comments. Good posture can improve the appearance of your chest and reduce strain on your back. Try plank holds for 30 to 60 seconds to strengthen your core and upper body. Reverse flies, 3 sets of 12 reps, using light weights or resistance bands target the back and shoulders. The cat-cow stretch, 5 to 6 repetitions, loosens the spine and improves flexibility. Do you prioritize posture in your fitness routine? Share your experience below. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Pair exercise with a balanced diet rich in whole foods to support fat loss and overall health. Stay consistent by aiming for 3 to 4 workout sessions per week, alternating cardio and strength training. Use a fitness journal or app to track your progress and stay motivated. What motivates you to stay consistent with your fitness goals? Let's inspire each other in the comments. Targeted exercises and a consistent fitness routine can help reduce breast size naturally while improving posture and overall body strength. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and prioritize long-term health over quick fixes. Now it's your turn. Which of these workouts are you excited to try? And do you have any tips for staying consistent? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health, fitness, and wellness content. Thanks for watching Health and Technology TV, and until next time, stay active, stay healthy, and keep moving.